Well, in the house today is the Cosmic Grey EP3 TypeR to tune. We're going to do a ECU exchange, and then we're going to do some mapping. Now, it's got some modifications, as you can see. It's got a K&N induction kit. It's got a Tegular 4-to-1 and a custom 2.5-inch catback. So let's see what she makes. Well, that was quite a straightforward one. Cosmic Grey EP3, made 218 in its modified form without mapping, and we finished on 22. What did we finish on?
225.
225. Yeah, and we've made 44 brake horsepower in the mid-range.
This is what I call a run-of-the-mill EP3.
Yeah,
it's basic breathing mod. So he's got a K&N induction kit on it. He's got a 4-to-1 Tegular manifold on it. He's got a custom 2.5-inch exhaust on, so we know nothing about the 2.5-inch exhaust. Obviously, other than the fact that he said it was 2.5-inch. So yeah, what I would class as proper basic breathing mods, budget mods, not necessarily the best. We've talked about obviously what works best on these cars. The K&N induction kit's obviously not the best. Tegular manifold's perfectly fine and perfectly serviceable, and 2.5-inch exhaust obviously okay. Generally, probably what I would say would hold this car back from around the 230 that you would think would be the max you would get, in my opinion, would probably be the induction kit. The exhaust would probably flow enough to make the 230.
But I liked it. In, power run, start tuning, start to see an increase in power, seeing those mid-range gains come up, you know, back-to-back power runs.
That's why, like I say, these are more of a, we always say, are more of a joy to map than the FN2, because one, they generally make more power anyway, but once they're in this form, like with some basic mods and a standard map, there's a massive difference in the curve when you obviously put that map on and obviously and start tuning. It's a massive difference. You know, they go away and obviously be really happy with it.
Well, he asked for flames as well.
Yeah, so he got some.
He got some flames.
Yeah.
My favourite part of the video. It always is. And warms me up a little bit.
Warms you up a bit.
I'm just going to point out.
Yeah, probably shortens your life fractionally from the amount of fumes that you're breathing in.
Yeah, but what's the cold doing to me? I don't know whether I told you guys, but I'm pretty cold out there in the dyno cell.
Oh, you know, you hadn't mentioned it, not in one of these videos.
No, well, that's it. You know, people need to know. They want to. They care about us. They want to know how hot you are and if you've had to take off.
To be honest, I don't think you've had this sitting in your nice warm office with your heater on full. But I've definitely had 2 customers in 2 days say to me, "I don't know how you work out here."
Yeah.
I don't think anyone's done that in your office, have they?
No.
No, so there you go. So what you're getting is when you have to stand in there and I've got the heater set to 22 or in an EP3 just halfway here.
I seen a bit of snot freezing on Jensen's face this morning and he didn't look very happy about it.
He was upset this morning. He was really cold.
He was cold.
Yeah.
Bless him. But he is, you know, a bit of a beanpole, ain't he?
Yeah, he's got no weight on him, has he?
No,
he's got no insulating layer.
He needs that cob lady to come every day. And if we get a hot Scotch egg down him every day, he'll put some weight on, won't he?
He will, yeah. We'll feed him up.
Feed him up.
Feed him up so he can't leave us and go to someone else.
That's right. We'll fatten him up so no one wants him.
That's it, yeah. We'll fatten him up so no one wants him.
Oh, he's attractive at the moment, obviously. Right, so yeah, so that was pretty much bread and butter work for us, isn't it?
Yeah, I think so. I think that's as easy as that.
Straightforward, on the dyno, tuned up. Let's have a look at the printout.
Yeah, go on, let's have a look at it.
Let's look at it.
So red line is as you came in, blue line is as she leaves. There's the massive power hike in the mid-range there. 44 brake horsepower, not to be sniffed at. Yeah, made some power and finishing on 225 brake horsepower, which is 191 at the wheels. Code word for this video, if you bother to get this far, is Cosmic Grey. Oh, I love a Cosmic Grey, although this one is a bit dirty right now. But thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz if you feel like it. Hit the notification bell, that helps us out. You get to see all our videos, and we will see you on the next one. Thanks.
Before, and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.